So welcome to another Machine Monday. Are you, like us, getting more and more frustrated with the cost of setting up basic stations like this? You have PLCs, you have sensors to detect the hands, you have push buttons that are extremely expensive, we have expensive displays to show the operator what to do. This is one of the reasons why we've introduced a new product called Phantom devices. And what these are virtual devices that actually exist to support the operator to control the process. So typically, you would have a sensor in front of this bin, which we would call pick to light, and the sensor would detect that the operator is selecting the right component. We also typically have push buttons that the operator pushes, for example, to ensure that the process is complete when they're done with the process. What we've introduced here is using AI and machine vision, two examples of Phantom devices, and we have many more. The one I want to highlight first is the replacement for a typical pick-to-light device. So for example, you can see the first bin is flashing, indicating that I need to pick that component. If I go into the wrong bin, it's telling me straight away that I'm in the wrong bin with no sensors in front of it at all. And then when I pick the right component, it detects that, and the screen automatically tells me what to do. So I'm able to fit this component and then confirm it with a virtual button. So this is an example of using advanced machine vision and AI to create virtual devices that reduces the cost of the station and also introduces a huge amount of flexibility. So I'm able to put the buttons in different places. So I might be building a car and then I might be building a fridge and I need a set of buttons in different places. Or I can put different racks in different positions and I'm able to control and ensure the operator picks the right component. We believe that in order to reduce the cost of a station in the future, we're going to need more and more of these Phantom devices. Here's another Machine Monday.